So how it all started. So I'll go first.
Yeah, I really want you to go first on this one.
Well, nothing. I think she was blown away by me. We didn't know each other in K. I'm Korikor. But later on, I think after graduation, one of our friends just came over to my place and we were having a ball. We were having a party and she was invited. And the next thing was we started meeting more often. And yeah, she was pretty much blown away.
I was blown
She pretty
away.
much was like
Can you
pushing me
sense the
to-
sarcasm? I was blown away.
Yeah.
Blown. I think it was very different for both of us. I think I didn't know that there was anything there. And then suddenly, out of the blue, it bloomed.
Yeah.
And I think I'm lucky for it.
We both are.
We both are.
मैं और तुम ना जाने कब हम हो गए ऐसे कि बात बात में देखो खो गए हम यूं मैं और तुम ना जाने कब हम हो गए ऐसे कि बात बात में देखो खो गए हम यूं
The one thing which I totally love about her is her honesty. She's blatantly, ruthlessly honest. And I think that helps developing a relationship a lot. The second most important thing I like about her is, I think, the empathy. She's a very warm and a sensitive person. So she's able to relate to the feelings of others. And the third most important thing is her ability to communicate across generations. She's been talking to my family itna zyada that I have not talked to them over the whole span of my 28 years of life. And she does that all in just one call.
है बातें साझा करी अब ये समझे या ना समझे कोई
Most importantly for me is his patience. He is the most patient person. Not the most. One of
Yeah,
the
the
most
most.
patient people I've met. And I think that sort of balances out our relationship.
मैं और तुम ना जाने कब हम हो गए ऐसे कि बात बात में देखो खो गए हम यूं बात बात में देखो खो गए हम यूं बात बात में देखो खो गए हम यूं
Yeah, he is charming. He likes to think he is. I don't say it more often. I shouldn't actually. I shouldn't. इसको ऊपर भी नहीं इतना चढ़ा, इतना भी नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. But yeah, he is charming.
मारे तड़प रही
what I liked about her when I saw her the first time, what I thought about, same, mast ladki hai yaar. I have a very vivid memory of her. That was in my apartment itself. We were having a party, and that's what I remember every time I look back. And she was dancing on a Punjabi song, and that was like a sealing moment for me. I'm like, mast ladki hai yaar.
Thank you, Mama, Papa, both the Mama, Papas, both the Rinka Di, Ankur, Jija Ji, Manu, Nini. Thank you so much. All of this has been possible just because of you, and we love you like a lot.
You're stuck. You're stuck with me for life.
That I am. We're a team. We'll get through. We'll make it.